All right, guys, welcome to another Essential. Really excited to be sharing some of my favorite salsas with you. This one is Salsa Roja. It's a classic Mexican sauce. It really starts with like charring your vegetables. So I have some tomatoes on here on our griddle that's just charring up. Really what you want to do is let these guys char so they're really nice and caramelized on each side. So it's super easy once you get your veggies charred. So these are just charred plum tomatoes, some charred white onions. This is just a charred garlic clove. Throw it right in. A few chili to arbols. So these are dried, kind of spicy chilies. Charred tomatillo. A few chipotle peppers in adobo. And then a charred jalapeno. Guys, looking good. Some chopped cilantro. It's looking pretty good. And you're good to go. This will hold up for up to a week. Get your favorite chip and boom. Refreshing, light. Guys, get your salt on. See you soon.